There boy for parking. Yo, this is our run today. Tayo run na Chawa with this guy. The why? Still not being you. Jump for Tyrchi Fall. Today is my first time going to Tyrchi Fall, so I'll show you what is there. I'm excited on me. Excited. Falls, eh? Lại phải cây stay. So, thế boy stop UAV, ra. Boom, boom. So if you watch this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more video in Meghalaya. So we'll you know, we already here, we'll roam around. So yo, big boss.
Hello.
Prepare language trunk. Yo, tu yo ni kid. Welcome to Tyrchi Fall. Mermaid. Yo, this is. Sini bos kerti lagi dah mermaid. Mermaid kerti sini yo no. Yo attract lagi paj bara. That's the idea. Look, the road is nice, beautiful. No more slippery. Yeah, no more slippery. Kata itu, ini slap. From yesterday it is rainy non-stop till today. So, bây giờ lên này em chỉ nghe ra đây và tao slap. Hả? Hay ngon này. Nhà này đằng này first time vào Nam tiếp và hay một cái một ông kia tên này hay người sao? Đằng lên. Udah, come on, this is Mother Nature. Give us a light. Apa ibarat sedang kayo? Ketuan animal with mid animal. Wow. Kami apa ini? Oh my god. Ini apa nak? Ini naik sepok yo. Ini nak kasian ni. Dah. Let's go. Yo, ini tak klik yang kas Yo ni.
This is just a small one.
Yeah.
This fall is just a small one, and you will see the bigger one up there.
Down there. We'll go down there right now. So let's go. Let's run.
Most of these guys here, it's their first time.
Yeah, they are coming here first time.
Yeah. But for me, it's not my first. It's not my first time.
Okay, you have come
I've been here
time.
so many times.
Wow, nice.
But
So,
today, it's the time where there is a large amount of discharge.
look how baby the green. I love this area. It's super. Look, this is our Mother Nature. Please protect it. Let it green. Go green. Save green. We have to save it at any cost. Let them save the food. You know. Boom. Thor coba yo ya Thor li yo aduh coba styrofoam lah saya udah tung sarbet yo this is the most beautiful place you ever seen selfie danger zone ini danger zone yo dia tuh selfie danger zone hey what are you doing hey look, this place is nice.
That tawa here.
Oi,
Tawa here.
look, the fall. Anjurong terna yo, anjurong reder yo. Oh, keren. Bây giờ tôi quay xuống sai gió. Mấy vô cái you know. Ini baik ba kre sandur mo sandur mai lu te thal jom tang jom le nu de karna trong bích rồi let's go down to the business nang trong chawa thai oh look at the view guys it's so beautiful here go down there poi cái này thôi hết cả sao bão đi đây cả hết về tay chua vậy hàng trong hết na chua yêu vậy chít tay bảo ma rau na hết tay nhiều poi thao đây yêu poi na chua năng trong ngay hả được chua vậy tệ Oh, kat cepet pekurit ini ditedam, jadi kejat lah. She's the boss, bro. Biarไปชาวบ้านแต่โย่ยังตีนี่ตีนายเลยเฮ้ยไม่ชาวบ้านน้องน้องบ้านน้องsedang biarไปชาวบ้านอะไรเร่งini sedang sih kanมาจงเตรียมชาวบ้านsekitar ni ngam jam kuam ni jadi rindu nah selam hati kor welcome to Tyrchi Fall yo biarไปชาวบ้านsini marna adaไปบ้านแหละวิอาร์เนวอะไรชนิดน้ำบนเรือวันในชนิดว่าน้องเฮสลับเรียนเนี่ยนี่เด้ว่าเฮสลับน้องอาร์ซีเฮสลับเตดาวเด้บนมาแต่ชนิดอันนี้มันได้ไม่ใช่โย่ไปบ้าน look at the view guys so beautiful ไปเฮสเตไปwelcome here look honey hey maste welcome to Tyrchi Fall hey stay hey here now love you for better view hey na dam đây the moment of truth. Wait. Look. This is another level, guys. This is super nice. Look. I love this, man. Phải tụi bay bại chứ. Mày đi tay. Enjoy bye bye tại sini yo. Phải jorong aman kam jorong. Bye bye tại ini Tyrchi Fall. Jore klan ngo. Dada soler. Kejam mata. It's very cold here. I'm getting wet right now. Look. This is a view. Woo! Look guys. But the view is super nice and you know look this is sini upah lai dei sini yo woo kata la kusti hey sulah la hey ate I'm getting wet all my clothes is getting wet right now my bag is wet I'm cold my leg is shaking right now. Bak. Đây là thế lẹ. Ôi Christ this man. This is too much bro. Hả? Ay, saya senang kurir ate. Yang kejar ate kerbet hey. You know, today is just a small tour because the water is too much, and then you know because it was cold. Because of that wasit dari kata not next touch slam di hebat panam nanong memunaran di nih dep tan teritar apa semangat kami yo. This is your view guys, but the view is super nice. This is our mother nature, so please save it, don't destroy it, never throw garbage there, please make it clean. So I think that's all I have to say. Kata yo Korean now coach ni. Look. How was the way right now, bro? Iba aku senangnya. Ngarangnya atau ku. Kerja kat Samni lah jangan naik untuk stay. Shit reg umno di naik Islam. Mana yo? Ani tu ku ni. Mata dia cesi baik bawan sini deh. Enjoy kalau yo sum yang pasti no. Atau ni dong snap. Kejam. Pon tu stay sana kerja kejat. Mereka. Kamu herum slap her go. Hari. Saya kerja kejat aku. Buku lah dia trem ini. Oh, gerian tau okay kuat. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Ni kerja kejat atas harusnya kerja kesu. It's Sunday evening. I hope you have a beautiful day. Like how we have here. It is nice. Look at the view. Mar here ku ni. Down ni. Paksa ni mah. Wih. Akhirnya sah. Mana lo? Lai tu. Hah? Tu kat depan. Oh. Ada apa dah? Itu itu. Coba ni. Ini tu. Coba. Tu kok. Cái Ni. There, come on. Come on, senyap Bima.
Biang ni.
Even come on, senyap. Yeah, it's so much enjoyment. So much you cannot observe it. But the view also is super nice. Yeah. That's right. Mai apa umain, umain.
Ini keriang lo deh. Apa gitu kah?
Wow. So beautiful out here. You can come and see by yourself. Small one. Kata po ini ada danger. Kamu bertuju? Yo, this area here. Selfie danger zone. You should never take selfie here. It is very danger. That's why. Kata ulah lewan ni. Dia pergi acon coba. Dia enjoy coba.ไปบ้านดูสิว่าพี่อาวิวมันจะก็ so nice beautiful. Kata aku no station ni lana sekali. Danไปบ้านเราyang stay nong dekat lana stay. Samni den tu naik dia pak wa jor rewa ler wa ha. Put re umur. Cara je uswap completely wet. Chal. This time kapar lewante. Mana? Yo ni saya this is the small riverside that make a big one there. Ini telung sa Jawa sar pa tahap yo. Yo bikin do ini nang sa Jawa haba. Atau explore sini dari Porsngi saya. Rabang. Dari Porsngi explore sini saya bangsur. Yo, this is the river stream. This is some small stream. Wakai sa Jawa. Yung man vi ne ga sa Jawa stay. One of the most popular one here in West Jantia. If you want to visit it, then come to Tyrchi Fall. Tyrchi Fall. Katara ngarjejir katara mande. Look, katara yo lach talas kanyan yan. Ichaman po talas kanyan chamay ba stay. So this is the end of Tyrchi Fall. Look, thank you, Diovi. Thank you. It's time to say bye to Mermaid. Yo, Mermaid na ha. Okay, bye Mermaid. See you later in the coming years maybe. Mpo de gam tu snem net. Having snem po ya no. Oh, por lang. Por me mumi dei. O tulung daga mau ni por layan. Por mumi daga mau nang tulung. Let's see there. This is our turn today with the big boss.
I got a new name now. Big boss.
He's the big boss. It's time to going back home. Look, this is our